இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து a woman fetching water. அதாவது ஒரு பெண் வந்து குடத்தில் தண்ணி எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிற மாதிரி வரையலாம். பார்க்கலாமா எப்படி வரைகிறதுன்னு? ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் மெத்தடு. நான் I will teach you one by one. You have to draw. See, this is the model of the woman. Okay. Face, body, leg, both leg, hand. இது வந்து எங்கே வேணாலும் இப்படி மாட்டிக்கலாம், அசைக்கலாம். இப்போ நம்ம this is the position. Why I am using this? For the beginners, for the copy this drawing, automatically you can draw any human figure easily. So you see this anatomy of the human being, woman. See, one by one I am going to draw. You see, step by step. See, first this is a straight line. You have to draw one straight line, right? Then here you draw the face. Face you have to make it oval shape. Then neck you have to draw like this. Then this shoulder. Usually I told shoulder you have to draw one triangle. See this? This is the end of the shoulder, right? Then body. This portion you have to draw. Then this. Right? Then leg. One leg is right hand leg is the front portion. See? Right? Then other leg you have to draw like this. Then right? Then hand. You see and draw. Then other hand like this. See, this is a key sketch for woman. Okay. Then now after rubbing one by one you have to draw the picture. Now first you have to draw face. That is important. Okay. Rub the head. Right? Then see, draw oval shape, fine oval shape. Then center you draw one straight line. Then divided into 3 equal parts like this. Forehead, nose, then this one, then mouth. Okay, right? Understand? Now, slightly rub it inside. Then you have to draw the eyebrow. Then nose. Then mouth. Okay. Head is over, no? Easy, no? Right. Then body. Body also, you have to rub the line like this. Okay. Then neck, then shoulder, then இப்போ அடுத்தது நம்ம now sorry hand and everything is okay now. Next this hand and pot. See, rub it like this. Hand and pot is over now. But now a woman fetching water. Okay. The question is, இந்த பெண் வந்து எங்க இருந்து தண்ணி பிடிச்சிட்டு வரா? That is very important. Where is from fetching water? அப்பனா this only in the topic drawing. Only you have to draw this one clearly. Then background should be light color, light drawing. So where we have to see the well from the village well. See, from here you have to draw one well like this. Then here house. See, this type of background you have to do it. But then only the picture will complete. Okay? Can you draw? Very easy, no? Okay. Thank you.